Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and unboxing experiences. Today, we have something truly exciting for all you PC enthusiasts out there: the KEDIERS PC Case Pre-Installed with 9 ARGB fans. Let's dive right in. Upon unboxing, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek and modern design of this ATX mid-tower gaming case. With its opening tempered glass side panel door, you get a clear view of the interior components, perfect for showcasing your powerful build. The case comes in a striking white color, adding a touch of elegance to any gaming setup. Its construction from tempered glass ensures durability while providing a premium look. Now, let's talk about the features that make this case stand out. The KEDIERS PC case comes pre-installed with not 1, not 2, but 9 ARGB fans, offering exceptional cooling performance while adding a vibrant lighting effect to your rig. These fans are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, creating an immersive gaming experience with customizable lighting options. Inside the case, you'll find ample space for your components, including support for micro ATX motherboards. The power supply mounting type is tower style, ensuring efficient cable management and improved airflow. Now, let's talk performance. The KEDIERS PC case excels in keeping your components cool, thanks to its well-designed airflow system and the abundance of ARGB fans. Whether you're gaming for hours or running demanding applications, this case ensures optimal thermal performance. In conclusion, the KEDIERS PC case pre-installed with 9 ARGB fans is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. With its premium design, superior cooling capabilities, and customizable lighting effects, it offers everything you need to build a powerful and visually stunning gaming rig. That wraps up our review of the KEDIERS PC case. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And as always, thank you for watching UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy gaming!